the simplest day trading strategy for beginners with zero experience. Ever dreamed of making money from the stock market without being an expert? Today, I'm revealing the simplest day trading strategy for absolute beginners. Briefly explain what viewers will learn. One simple strategy. No complicated indicators. How to manage risk, realistic expectations. Stick with me till the end. I'll share a free bonus template you can use tomorrow to start practicing. 1. What is day trading? Definition in very simple terms. Difference between day trading, swing trading, and investing. Why people lose money in day trading. Common myths. Set the right mindset. You won't become rich overnight. Focus on survival first, profits later. 2. Tools you need to start. Basic tools for beginners. Laptop or PC, even budget. Stable internet broker with demo account. Examples, eToro, TradingView for charts. Free resources, news websites, trading apps. Show how to set up a free demo account. Pause here and open your free demo account now. Practice, don't risk real money yet. 3. Market selection. Where to trade. Forex versus stocks versus crypto. Pros and cons for beginners. Suggest starting with one market. Explain best trading hours for each. Keep it simple. Pick one or two assets, like EUR/USD or Bitcoin. 4. The core strategy. Introduce the support and resistance breakout strategy. Simple, effective. Mark support and resistance levels. Wait for breakout above resistance for buy or below support for sell. Explain with a live chart example. Screen recording recommended. 5. Risk management. Your safety net. The 1 to 2% rule, risk only. 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Stop loss and take profit. Explain. Example where if you have $1,000, risk only $10 to $20 per trade. 6. Step-by-step trading. Example show a historical chart. Apply the strategy step by step, where you would enter, where you would exit. Show both a winning and losing trade. Example 7. Emotional control and mindset. Why most beginners fail, fear and greed. Simple rules to stay disciplined. Do not chase trades. The market will always give you another chance. 8. Daily routine of a beginner. Day trader. Wake up. Check news. Analyze market. Trade max 2 to 3 setups. Journal results. Explain the importance of a trading journal. Share a sample trading log. Simple spreadsheet. 9. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Overtrading, no stop-loss trading, without a plan, ignoring risk/reward ratio. You now have the simplest day trading strategy any beginner can start with. Now it's your turn. Comment below. What market are you going to practice on? Stocks, Forex, or crypto? And don't forget, like, subscribe, and check the description for your free beginner trading plan PDF.